is up? Happy Sunday. I just got back from church. I went with my friend. I usually meet her there like every Sunday. Today was crazy. I felt like today was one of those days where I just felt like God was speaking to me. Like everything was aligning, which was pretty cool. And then me and my friend went and got coffee afterwards. I just always feel so much better after going to church. I feel like when I feel better after, I'm like, okay, how can I feel this way all the time? So now like I've been going for walks lately because I've been trying to get like 10,000 steps in minimum every single day. So I play the Bible app. You can download, I play it on my phone and just listen to it while I walk. And that helps me. I'm like completely out of groceries, so I need to go for my little nature walk again. And then I'm gonna go to the grocery store, stock up on some stuff, and make some dinner. It just feels weird to vlog and not have this video about jujitsu because all of my stuff is about jujitsu. So this may get like literally no views, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm just gonna vlog the weekend. I want to find like a really good rom-com to watch. I just love staying in with my cats on Sundays and it's like a cloudy day, so I can't even tan by the pool. So I'm probably just gonna like find a good romantic comedy or like romantic movie to cry to and hang out with my cats and just have a good day. Sent me this in the mail. The packaging is so cute. I actually just started using mushroom coffee. There's 2,000 milligrams of mushrooms in here. Reishi, lion's mane, turkey tail, like a whole bunch. So let's make some coffee. It comes with like this wooden spoon. It's so cute. And then it also came with this magnet, which I'm gonna put on my fridge. Ah, there we go. I have my own discount code that you can use to get 15% off. So I will put the link in the description below and my discount code as well, which is Jessie Cushing 15. So you can get 15% off. Oh. Oh. Just want to show y'all. Yummy! This and getting 10,000 minimum steps a day is my new way of life. 6,700. So tonight, after I'm done chilling, I definitely need to walk at least 4,000 more steps, which will probably be me on the stair climber.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
Try podcast by night, all day. No.
For once not eating steak. Chicken. I always eat steak. I'm gonna eat, y'all. It's 555. I've literally been seeing angel numbers every day. Just wanted to say thank you all for 2,259 subscribers. We're just climbing up the ladder. Not monetized yet, but we're getting there. I'm gonna eat this dinner and then go to the gym, but I think that's it for today's vlog. So thanks for watching and subscribe for more content. Peace.